My name is Babalwa Theko. I stay at Site C, Taiwan. I received a message from Lumgani. They sent me a message. They said there is a fire at my house. I should reply. And then I reply, and then when I come, there was a fire. I would like abantu bamjoin because they really care about people. Because they were phoning me every day until ndathenga izinto endlini. They take a week. It was a week. Then I received my claim card. It's good for me that I did join. I didn't want to join, but I told myself 60 rand is nothing. Because 60 rand, I can just eat 60 rand sweets. So far, I did buy material. The windows was broken. I buy the ceiling, the paints, the curtains, the couches, the cupboards. I must still buy a TV now. So ubutshintshile ubomi bam and ke ngoku andikwazi uba ndingaphinda ndingabhatali ikhava yam yakwalumkani because ndibonile abantu bakalumkani bayakhathala kakhulu.